Hello friends, in this video we will apply authorization rule using approval authority setting. Let's first understand what is approval authority. Let's say you have a sales executive who is working under sales head. Now assume that the sales executive received an inquiry and he makes an official proposal against it. Once the proposal has been generated, sales head will receive a notification mentioned that a new proposal has been generated from relevant user and it requires approval from you. Here, sales head can view the entire proposal before approval by clicking on the open button. Please make sure that once sales head approves it, the proposal can't be changed by the sales executive. Now, let's see how to set approval authority in DataNote. First, log in to your admin account. Navigate to Settings, User Rights, Design Roles and click on Approval Authority. Click on Collapse All. Then click on plus icon against the appropriate module and select the required form. Then select the relevant category. Please note that we have made separate video on how to create categories for various transactions in DataNote. You can find the link to that video in the description box below. Now, here we have two different mods. By default, the mod is set to OR, which means that if you have selected multiple users, anyone can give the approval. But if you want multiple users to approve one by one in a sequence, then change the mod to AND. For now, let's keep it as it is. Now, click on plus icon, select the user who will be able to approve the order and click on Save. Similarly, you can add multiple users by following the same process. You can repeat the same steps for multiple forms as well as categories. Please note that you will only be able to set authority to a single form at a time. As you can see, here we have given approval authority to the users. Now, let's create a new proposal from sales user and then we will see how can we approve that proposal. You can see a new proposal has been generated by the sales user and the status is showing as N, which means not approved. Now let's log in as sales head. You can see we have a new notification. From here, we can approve as well as open the record. It's a good practice to check the details before giving the approval. Once checked, click on Approve from the notification panel. Now, if we log in back as sales user, you can see he has received a notification that the order has been approved.